Warning! If you're still paying UGC creators, influencers, or agencies $500 to $2,000 for a single video ad, stop everything and watch this short video right now. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a brand new AI app that creates unlimited human-like UGC videos and ads in just minutes, using 100+ ultra-realistic AI actors, with 0 cameras, 0 creators, and 0 editing skills. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at expensive content the same way again. Imagine this. You paste any product link, or just type an idea, into one simple dashboard. You pick a realistic AI actor, a male or female face that looks 100% real. You hit one button, and minutes later you've got a finished, captioned, perfectly lip-synced video ad, ready to post on TikTok, Reels, Shorts, Facebook, or hand straight to a paying client. No camera, no film crew, no editing, no waiting 2 weeks, no $1,400 invoice. Just you, an idea, and an AI army of creators working for you on demand. With this one app, you'll be able to create unlimited human-like UGC videos and ads in minutes, generate stunning AI influencer videos without hiring a single creator, turn any product URL into a ready-to-post video with one click, choose from 100+ realistic AI actors, male and female, every age and ethnicity, auto-write scroll-stopping scripts with PAS, AIDA, and problem-solution frameworks, add natural AI voices with flawless, undetectable lip sync, drop in one-click auto captions that boost watch time and sales, publish in multiple languages and accents to sell in any market, batch create dozens of videos at once, and dominate any niche, export everything in crisp, full HD, 9:16 vertical, ready for every platform. And here's the best part. You don't need a camera. You don't need actors or influencers. You don't need a microphone, lights, or a studio. You don't need editing software or any tech skills. And you don't need to pay a single monthly fee. If you can paste a link and click a button, you already know everything you need to know. Now think about what this means for your wallet. Right now, businesses everywhere are desperate for video content, and they'll happily pay for it. Make one testimonial video for a local gym, charge $300, deliver a pack of 5 product ads to an e-com store, charge $700, land a monthly content retainer with a single brand, $1,500 plus per month every month. And with the commercial license included, you keep 100% of every dollar. You could make back the tiny price of this app with your very first client. Or maybe you don't want clients at all. Maybe you want to build a faceless empire. Picture running a TikTok or Reels channel that pumps out 5 viral videos a day without ever showing your face, without ever stepping in front of a camera, growing an audience, and cashing in on affiliate offers, your own products or brand deals, completely on autopilot. That's exactly what this makes possible, and the timing has never been better. UGC and influencer video is a $7.6 billion market, and exploding. 9 out of 10 buyers trust UGC videos more than polished brand ads. UGC-style content gets up to 86% higher engagement. Video drives 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. Short-form video is eating the internet. The only question is whether you're the one supplying it or paying a fortune for it. Because let's be honest about the old way of getting UGC videos. It's expensive. $500 to $2,000 per video adds up fast. Most people can only afford 1 or 2. It's slow. You wait 1 to 2 weeks per video, then deal with reshoots and revisions. It's complicated. Cameras, lights, mics, editing software, scripts. It's overwhelming. It's limited. With one creative, you can't test. And without testing, you can't win. Meanwhile, your competitors are testing 50 videos a week and crushing you. The difference isn't talent, it's volume. And volume used to be locked behind a huge budget and a film crew. Until now. Introducing AI UGC HUB. the all-in-one AI app that turns any idea or product into unlimited human-like UGC videos and ads in minutes with zero skills, zero equipment, and zero monthly fees. It does the work of a creator, a voice artist, a scriptwriter, a video editor, and a translator, all from one simple cloud dashboard. Inside AI UGC HUB, you get 100 plus hyper-realistic AI actors with lifelike expressions and perfect lip sync, AI scriptwriter with PAS, AIDA, and problem solution frameworks built in IDEA and URL to Video Engine. Paste a link. Get a finished video natural AI voices with emotion, accent, and multi-language support. One-click auto captions and subtitles. Trending hooks generator plus smart CTA creator. Every video style, testimonials, unboxings, before/after, demos, reviews, and storytelling. Multi-platform export for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, Facebook, and e-commerce batch creation. Full HD MP4, 9:16 vertical custom branding, background music, text overlays, and animations. Commercial license. Sell everything you make 100% cloud-based, no API keys, works on any device. And using it couldn't be simpler. Just 3 steps. Step 1. Drop it in. Paste any product URL or type your idea. AI instantly writes a high-converting script. Step 2. Pick your style. Choose an AI actor, language, accent, and video style. Testimonial, unboxing, demo, you name it. Step 3. Generate and profit. Hit one button. In minutes, you've got a finished, captioned, lip-synced video ready to post or sell. That's it. Paste. Pick, profit. So who is AI UGC HUB for? If you run an e-com or Shopify store and you're tired of ad fatigue, this is for you. If you're an affiliate marketer who needs native-looking video, this is for you. If you're a freelancer or agency who wants to sell video at premium prices, this is for you. If you're a local business owner who needs content that actually sells, this is for you. If you're a faceless creator who wants to post daily without a camera, this is for you. And if you're a complete beginner with no skills and no budget, this is especially for you. Now you might be wondering, with everything this does, 100 plus AI actors, unlimited videos, voices, lip sync, captions, a commercial license, how much is this going to cost me? Well, if you tried to piece this together yourself, you'd be paying for a UGC creator, a voice tool, a video editor, a caption app, and a copywriter. Easily $449 a month in tools alone, not to mention $500 plus per video on top. The total real-world value of everything you're getting today is over $12,929. But you're not going to pay anywhere near that. Because during this special launch, you're not paying $997. You're not paying $497. You're not even paying a $97 a month subscription. Today, you get the entire AI UGC HUB system, plus all 5 launch bonuses for one single payment of just $14.95. That's it. Pay once. Use it forever. No monthly fees. No hidden credits. No per video charges. But this price is only for early action takers. The moment this launch ends, AI UGC HUB switches to $97 per month. So if you're watching this now, you're in the perfect spot. And you're taking zero risk. Grab AI UGC HUB today, put it to work for a full 30 days, and create as many videos as you want. If for any reason you're not absolutely thrilled, just send us one email and we'll refund every single penny. No questions, no hassles, no hard feelings. You can even keep the videos you made as our way of saying thanks. The risk is 100% on us. The only way to lose is to keep paying $1,000 plus per video the old way. So here's your decision. You can close this video, keep paying creators a fortune, keep waiting weeks for one video, and keep watching your competitors outpost you, or you can click the button below right now, lock in your one-time price of just $14.95, and start creating unlimited human-like UGC videos and ads in minutes. today. The UGC Gold Rush is happening right now. Get in while the door is open. Click the button below and get instant access to AI UGC HUB. I'll see you on the inside.